Here you can finalize the design of the crown. You can hide or unhide the prep jaw, opposing jaw, and crown by clicking on the appropriate tooth numbers. The Dental Views widget on the upper left is a handy tool for quickly looking at the model from lingual, buccal, mesial, distal, and occlusal angles. The default CAD tool is freeform. You can use this tool to raise or lower a cusp and adjust a marginal ridge. Hover over the area you want to adjust, then click, hold, and drag the anatomy to the desired position.
Click on the appropriate.
When you activate the Move, Rotate, and Scale icon, spheres, cylinders, and cones will appear. By clicking and holding on the green cone, you can stretch or shrink that surface independent of the others. By clicking and holding the cursor on the blue cylinders, you can drag the whole crown back and forth in that direction. By clicking and holding the cursor on the spheres, you can rotate the crown in that direction. The rotation is view dependent. To rotate the proposal mesial to distal, view from the lingual or buccal sides. To rotate the proposal buccal or lingual, view from the mesial or distal sides. You should do these bigger changes to the crown at the beginning, before finalizing the design. The Edit Contacts widget is for automatically adjusting the occlusal and adjacent contact points. The default selection is the occlusal. The number you see on the crown is the closest point in the restoration to the opposing contact. Red areas are contacting the opposing surface and blue areas are close. You can enter the desired contact value in the box, then click on the Fix Contacts icon to apply it. Next, click on the mesial or distal tooth in the Edit Contacts widget. Enter the desired contact value and click on the Fix Contacts widget to apply it. Any areas in pink are too thin to be milled and need to be fixed. The easiest way is with the Add tool. Click on the Add icon, then hover over the thin area and click and hold and drag the mouse around. The Smooth and Remove tools operate in the same fashion. Finalizing the crown in this order is the most efficient approach. Now, let's discuss some of the less commonly used tools on this screen. The Section tool can be used to measure how thick any given point of the crown is. Click the section icon to activate it, then hover over any point of the crown and click and hold. A graph will appear displaying the thickness for the area selected in millimeters. While clicking and holding with the mouse, you can drag the cursor to other areas as well. The lowermost brown line represents the prepared tooth. The space between the blue and the lower brown line represents the cement space. The pink line represents the minimum thickness allowed for the material. The white line represents the current thickness of the crown, and the top brown line represents the opposing tooth. The Edit Mesial and Distal Neighbor in the Edit Contacts widget are used to automatically broaden contacts. To do so, click on the appropriate icon. This will remove the crown and show the location of contact in the neighboring tooth in orange. To change this contact, click and drag a small circle around the desired area. Once you have confirmed the contact, press the blue check mark to continue. To apply that change, click on the Fix Contacts button. When the protection checkbox is checked, it allows you to set your desired thickness values and automatically prevents the contacts from being too close at all times. It is not required, but can be used to assist you in the design phase. Once the design is complete, click Preview on the bottom right of the screen to move to the next screen.